Python multiple inheritance. So now what is the multiple inheritance? We've discussed that one in the previous example in the previous video. So now we are going to discuss that how this multiple inheritance can be implemented in our Python coding. So like C++, a class can be derived from for more than one base classes in Python, and this is called the multiple inheritance. And in multiple inheritance, the features of all the base classes are inherited into the derived class, and the syntax for multiple inheritance is similar to as we are use that one in the single inheritance. So let us suppose this is our base class number 1 having got feature 1 and feature 2. This is our base class number 2 having got feature 3 and feature 4. After getting inherited, we are having feature 1, feature 2, feature 3, feature 4 are available in the derived class. Let us suppose another extra feature we have added to the derived class, that is our feature 5. And in this way, the multiple inheritance can be implemented in our Python coding. So let us go for one practical demonstration to show you that how this multiple inheritance can be coded. So here is the demonstration for you. In case of multiple inheritance, we will be having multiple base classes and one derived class, and the derived class will be deriving properties, that is the methods, variables from the base classes. And here we are having one example. Class base 1 having one statement pass, class base 2 having one statement pass here, and class multi derived, which will take this base 1 and base 2 as the base classes or the super classes, and we will have only one statement pass here. So if I can execute this one, you see there is no error has occurred. So Python supports multiple inheritance. So let us go for another example here. So here we are having class base 1, which is having only one method, that is a function base 1. These are the required print statement to be executed. And here we are having class base 2, only one function, that is a function base 2. And here this thing will get executed. And base 3, we are having only one function inside it. There is a function base 3, and respective the print statement is there mentioned. Now here we are having, there is a multi-derived base 1 comma base 2 comma base 3. So here we are having multiple base classes and only one derived class. The name of the derived class is multi-derived, and we are having three base classes, base 1, base 2 and base 3. So here we are having only one function, there is a function multi-derived, and where this function multi-derived is executing, this string will get printed by the print method. So now let us go for our object declaration under this multi-derived. So MD1 is the object name. So multi-derived object under the class multi-derived. So we have called this multi-derived constructor, and this object has got defined and instantiated. Now MD1.function base 1. So that means this particular function is getting called, and then function base 2, this function is being called, function base 3, this function has been called. As they are the base classes to this derived class, so their respective functions, that is the member functions, will get inherited into this multi-derived. As a result of that, this multi-derived class object, from this multi-derived class object, if I want to access those functions, I shall be allowed to access that one. And also I can access that very function which is defined itself within this multi-derived class. So now let us go for the execution. You can find that function base 1 is executing, so this function has got its successful execution. Function base 2 is executing, function base 3 is executing, and function multi-derived is executing. That means the respective all the four functions they have executed, and respective print statements are printing their respective strings to be printed. So in this way, in this example, we have demonstrated how to define one class where we will be having multiple base classes, and how to implement multiple inheritance in Python. Thanks for watching this video.